Welcome to my channel $T Valuable Coins. So get it started. The 1939 1 penny was issued just before World War. It's a significant coin from a tense time in world history. The 1939 1 penny coin comes from a very significant era in British and world history. It was minted during the reign of King George VI, who became king in 1936. After the abdication of his brother, King Edward VIII. 1939 was also the year that World War began. On September 1st, Germany invaded Poland, and just 2 days later, on September 3rd, Britain declared war on Germany. This marked the beginning of 6 years of global conflict. Coin production during this period started to change to meet the demands of the war economy. The 1939 penny, therefore, is not just a coin. It's a small artifact from a critical moment in history. The obverse of the 1939 1 penny coin features a portrait of King George VI, facing to the left. This was the first official portrait of him on coinage. The legend around the portrait reads 6D G BR Hom Rex F laughing smiley IND imp. This is abbreviated Latin for George VI. By the grace of God, King of all the Britons, Defender of the Faith, Emperor of India. The reverse features Britannia, the female personification of Britain. She is seated facing right, holding a trident in her right hand and a shield with the Union Jack in her left. At her feet, the sea flows with a small ship visible to the left. The inscription simply reads 1 penny. The date 1939 is at the bottom. This reverse design had been in use since the 19th century and is one of the most iconic in British coinage. Metal composition and size. Metal, bronze. Composition, 95.5% copper, 3% tin, 1.5% zinc. Diameter, 30.8 mm. Weight, 9.4 grams. Edge, plain, not milled or reeded. The bronze alloy used gave the coin its distinct brownish-reddish color when new. Over time, depending on how it was stored or circulated, it may appear darker or more worn. Mintage and rarity. In 1939, Britain was still producing pre-decimal coins for everyday use. The mintage figure for the 1939 penny was mintage, approximately 42,872,000. This is a very high number, which means the coin is not particularly rare in circulated condition. However, the wartime connection and the identity of the monarch still makes it interesting for collectors. There is no known rare era for the standard 1939 penny, unlike other coins in the British series which have misprints or variety types. Value, market price. The value of a 1939 1 penny depends on its condition, also known as its grade. Coins are generally graded from poor to uncirculated or mint state. Approximate values. Poor to good, around 10 pence to 50 pence or similar in other currencies. Fine condition, 1 pound to 2 pounds. Very fine to extremely fine, 3 pounds to 6 pounds. Uncirculated or brilliant uncirculated. BU 10 pounds to 25 pounds or more, depending on quality. Note prices vary depending on the coin. Market, rarity, demand, and overall condition. Collectability and interest. Even though the 1939 penny is common, it is still a popular item among coin collectors, numismatists, historians, especially WWI-era collectors. Educational displays for teaching about British money and history. People interested in British monarchy and wartime memorabilia. Because it was issued just before large-scale changes to the British economy and currency due to World War, it's often collected as part of pre-war Sets or King George VI coin collections. Cultural and symbolic value. Britannia represents British strength and maritime power. The coin serves as a symbol of stability in a time of looming global instability. For many British citizens alive during the 20th century, the 1939 penny is nostalgic. It represents a bygone era of values, empire, and the shift from peacetime to wartime. Fun facts. In 1939, a penny could buy you a newspaper, a matchbox, or even a few sweets. Pre-decimal coins like the 1939 penny remained in circulation until 1971, when Britain switched to the decimal system. Many people still have these pennies in old jars, attics, or inherited collections. The 1939 one penny is not just a piece of old money, is a small window into a critical time in British and world history. From its classic design to its connection with King George VI and World War, this coin is an excellent starting point for anyone interested in numismatics, British history, or World War II memorabilia. While not rare in itself, the 1939 penny remains a timeless keepsake for collectors and history lovers alike.